Is your Lincoln Aviator's key fob range declining, or is it failing to operate consistently? A weak battery is likely the cause. Replacing the battery is a simple DIY task for 2020-2024 models, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. This video will guide you through the process step by step. The 2020-2024 Lincoln Aviator key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This specific battery type provides the necessary 3 volts of power with reliable lithium chemistry. Use Energizer or equivalent brands for optimal performance and longevity. These quality batteries ensure consistent power delivery to the key fob's electronics. Avoid cheaper brands to prevent corrosion and ensure reliable operation. Low-quality batteries can leak or fail prematurely, potentially damaging the key fob. You'll only need a couple of basic tools: a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized key fob pry tool. A pry tool will minimize the risk of damage. Working on a soft surface like a cloth will prevent scratches on the fob. First, locate the emergency key slot on the back of the key fob. Insert the emergency key and gently twist to separate the two halves of the fob. If the key doesn't fully separate the halves, carefully insert the small flathead screwdriver into the seam and gently pry the fob open. Be careful not to force it. Once the fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up. Gently remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive plus side is in the same upward position as the old one. Carefully snap the two halves of the key fob back together. Ensure the casing is securely closed. Test the key fob's functions: lock, unlock, remote start, and panic alarm. Test from a distance of 50 to 100 feet to verify the battery is functioning correctly. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, there are several common issues to check. First, double-check the battery orientation. Make sure the positive side faces up as marked. Second, ensure the battery is new and not expired. Old or low-quality batteries can fail quickly. In rare cases, the key fob may need reprogramming to the vehicle. Visit a dealership for this service. If the fob gets wet, have it professionally checked to avoid further damage from corrosion. The future of key fobs is evolving. Many newer vehicles, including some Aviator models, are integrating digital keys via smartphones using Apple Wallet or Google Pay. While traditional fobs may eventually be phased out, DIY battery replacement will remain relevant for existing models. Expect to see rechargeable options emerge. For now, traditional key fobs like those in current Aviators continue to serve, but the shift to digital keys offers convenience without batteries.